So this is very rare nga podcast kay na si Mami. And actually nag-order lang mi sa Bigby's para rin na lang mi mag-dinner. Kay kaning duha ka lalaki, di naman ni ganan manglakaw kay sira naman ni computer. So they rather stay sa balay, computer. Mura ilang mga now, nila, mura nag mga CPU. Tapos si Ella po nang akong gikonsabo karon kay para mag-ask while mangaon ta og nice food from Bigby's. I know you guys love Bigby's. Okay, so na cake. So later na ni, so yummy. Bigby's cake do sa cafe na nila restaurant. Thank you. So ako sa ni ikon dia. So picture sa Mami. Questions yung mong gi-prepare?
20.
Dami? 20. Okay, go. Rayver, read the question. Okay. First,
where did you guys meet? Where did you and mom and daddy meet?
school. Classmate me sa college. Sa MPSC before, so now it's USTP. So we were classmates. Then Mami na love at first sight sa ko. What? Again?
You should hear from Mommy's side. How much she remembers on that day.
Yeah. I know I'm always the one who's do the talking. So Mami, kano sa ta nag-meet? Where? And amino na nimo nga na love at first sight ka sa ko.
What did you think of Daddy at first? First impression.
Daddy's the talkative in school.
Okay, then what's your follow-up question,
What
Rayver?
was your first impression on each other? Like first ba meet ba? Like
First impression
Nothing.
daw nimo sa ko.
Nothing.
wala as like as soon as he entered the classroom, wala.
No, I just noticed him because he's so loud. Always making jokes.
Being
The class clown.
always the funny guy. Yeah.
Daddy.
Okay. Next question. Ella.
When did you started dating?
When was the time na official na good mo?
What?
Ano ko dumdum di?
Official na. Or like first date or something.
What's
Like
that?
first hangout or something.
Just in school.
Yeah, because our world was just in school. So during class breaks, so magsumangil na kong abay-abay, kunwari borrow her books.
Okay, books.
We're classmates in all our subjects.
Yeah, because
Like-
we're the same block man, the same course, the same block. So murag gyapon may og high school nga the same og section. So in between breaks, naman may mga waiting sheds. So mag-share og mga ana. So dito. But I think katong murag katong nana ko'y plan. Dito na sa katong every time mo uli mi mag-ride mi og jeep. So magdungan mi og sakay sa jeep.
Like on opposite sides of the city.
No, because si Mami magsakay daan kay ang bugo puno man. So magsakay sa daan going to Divisoria, going back na yun to Kogon. So what I did, budungan ko ni Mami. So ako siyang librehon.
What libre? 5 pesos.
Mo libre siya ako. Pagka tomorrow, siya na po mo libre sa ako. So I just did it para everyday na mi magdungan mi manguli. Di ba?
You went with it?
Sweet.
Huh?
So sweet.
Did you find it sweet? When did you realize you fall in love with him actually? Because he's always telling you loved him from the first sight. When did you actually fall in love? When? What was the moment that
You know, no. I knew it. Ani na lang. Padol na gamay ang mic dia sa inyo, ha? Okay. Okay, go.
What was like the moment you knew that you fallen for daddy?
I love it. I like it.
Like when was the like moment he did like you realize, oh my god, I am in love with this man?
Tubag, mami.
He's making jokes.
Ah.
That makes me.
Found it amusing.
Jokes.
Yeah.
Jokes are good that make
Thing
you
that
click.
mommy likes.
Mami, please i-appeal ka sa looks, mami. Bilhin jokes and looks. Wala din may ang looks. Jokes.
Jokes made you look more
Yeah.
attractive. That's what it really is when you're in love. It's not, when you don't think that it's that person, but when you did something, it makes you really make you
So
more attractive.
it's not technically the physical thing. It's
Ikaw.
it's because of my humor. So
It made you look more attractive. I would know because I relate.
all right, go.
How about ikaw? When did you realize you fallen for mommy?
Daddy has a fling.
Yeah. Sorry.
Say fling.
Si mami was not my kanang first dito nga na-attract ko.
So when did you realize?
Then medyo pangit ang resulta, parang it didn't work. Then because mommy was so silent sa school. So para bang she's not that yeah. Pero si mami, pag namin mga exam, perminti siya, it's either nasa top 3 nga dakog score.
3?
Except for math. Pero all other what's this? Nga mga subjects. Perminti dako yung score. Then suddenly I noticed na, oh, this girl is intelligent. Yeah. Nandito na lang yun. Then I like mommy's kanang bagtak bitaw. Diri ko sa tiil kanang sa
Thighs?
likod.
Her calves?
Ha?
Her calves?
Calves? What do you call this here?
The
This part.
calves?
Calves. Mo rin ang tawag na calves.
Gaps.
So clean. So clean, so good. Yeah, so I find it sexy because it's so like clean, walay samad, walay so yeah, that's why. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Next question. I like it.
No, you already did.
Rayver.
I did not even read from
Number
there. That was just my own.
How old were you when you guys started dating?
What age?
Oh,
So I don't feel pressured.
si nanay wala siya kabalo sa iyahang debut. Pag 18 niya, we were already 1 week boyfriend girlfriend.
1 week. Wow, 1 week.
Yeah. But nanay didn't
Do you
know.
remember the date?
Mommy was 18.
No, not yet.
When was the time where you actually made it official?
17 pa ka to.
Mag-18 pa man.
Mag-18 pa ka. Yeah, tama. So, a week before siya mag-18, we were boyfriend, girlfriend. Yeah.
So when did how did you ask? You asked her to be your girlfriend?
Yeah, we were riding in
Should I ask?
a private car. Then I said,
Private, so jeep? Taxi?
no, it's a private, like jeepney.
Oh.
Mini jeep.
Oh.
Then I suddenly asked her, I surprised her.
So you rented a jeep?
I like you. No.
No. To confess ka sa jeep.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Sa jeep may nag-confess.
Under
Yeah. Then suddenly, hindi ko saya nga, please say yes.
Even though Nana is strict.
Yeah. It was a secret.
So when did you tell nanay?
When I graduated.
During graduation.
So
3
like,
years after. But Nana is already kanang
suspicious na siya like intuition.
Yeah. Suspicious na siya. Okay. Nice questions.
Ay,
Next.
questions ako follow up. It's not part of there.
Okay. Next question, Ella.
Who said I love you first?
Daddy.
Of course, me.
Who
Me.
initiated like your first like?
Oops.
Look.
Okay.
Look,
I
okay.
remember that.
Daddy always says I love you.
Yeah, I always
We're
says I
not
love you.
The boyfriend or
So who?
But I didn't
So I love you first. So who
Oh.
initiated the first kiss? Also, where was the first kiss?
Wait.
Palapal.
Wait. Ito lang
Lubat?
napalong ko. Ha? Di pa siguro lubat na siya.
Uy, init kayo siya.
Give me the
Okay, wait. Let's pause.
Then eat the bones.
Okay, we're back. Okay, nag-ilis lang yung battery. Again, what was the hanging question? Okay.
Who initiated the first kiss?
Yeah. Since I said I love you first, so who
Who?
initiated the first kiss?
It was me.
Asa, where? Specific time, date, place, asa. I need the details.
In the house. Balulang.
Balulang?
As in kiss na kiss yun. Di
As
sa
in,
balulang.
lips
My
ba?
lips! Not cheeks or something.
Yeah. No, mommy, I think it's in the balulang.
What if it's too different, ha?
I brought you there.
And then y'all go to the room or something.
Because wala man, that time nga nag-work man si mama o si papa. So just we went to the...
Oh boy.
Was that still like in college?
Yeah, of course. College galing.
No.
Oh, college galing. Yeah, so I brought mommy in the Balulang's house.
So what was the
Balulang's
tension?
house?
Balulang's house. House in Balulang. Okay.
Eh.
Next question, Rayver.
What has been the most memorable moment in your marriage so far?
I mean, it's for almost like what, 16 years? You can't relate. Be specific.
I don't know. Why
On our marriage life,
What was like the?
I would say the most beautiful that happened is like when you guys was born. Yeah.
So sweat.
Ikaw, mami. Sige, as minyo na.
Same.
everything. It happens.
Yeah, I'm always excited every time na ipanganak mo. Pag anak ni Rusty, pag anak ni Rayver, and also Ella, tapos babae pag siya. So, sa inyong pagpanganak ang pinaka the best thing. When we were married na.
What was your oldest like memory together that you can remember? Oldest memory.
Yeah, good for us because mommy and I were almost the same ang hilig ba. Like mag-atoming mountains uban si mami. We all the major climbs we had is uban ako si mami. We went to Mount Apo, we went to
Hiking.
hiking that. So those things we were together. So good for us nga most of our major na mga travel, like when we went to Singapore, katong wala mo ba?
Ayaw i-shove it down.
Okay, so yun. So I'm so lucky lang nga most of the time mommy and I, your mom and I were together good. Most of the
Where
time.
daddy goes, mommy is probably
Yeah. Okay. Next question, Ella.
I don't know.
Just,
Who is good at cooking?
well, you guys tasted mommy's food and mine. So, come on, you
You
decide.
decide who
Oh, sige daw eh. For you, Rusty.
Depends on my hunger. Depends on how hungry I am.
Oh. Kasi may pinaka galing mo luto.
If I'm really hungry, it's you.
Me?
Oh.
About like, ang paborito naman ako is mga sabaw, muluton, mga gulay.
Yeah.
Which is most of the time, di sa mumukha no gulay, mga panghaka mo. Ikaw, Rayver, kisa may mas nami muluto, si mami, si daddy.
Mami.
Mami, ikaw, Ella.
Mommy.
Okay. I lose.
The reason why mommy, because she cooks better fried chicken.
Ay.
When was the last time that I cooked fried chicken?
Never.
My favorite na akong hinaluto sa inyo is kanara maging tiil sa baboy. Sabaw. Di ba? Okay. Next question, Ella.
Wait.
Sige.
What's one of the most embarrassing moments in your relationship that you did together? Like
Embarrassing daw.
Embarrassing kayo ba?
Ako, I can't remember.
You were so old.
Why were you laughing, Ella? I cannot remember embarrassing. Ang sayo nga ni Rayver.
Kuya, having kuya.
Ha?
Having kuya.
The most embarrassing is having kuya.
Because you were not married yet and you have
Was that the reason you got married?
Wasn't mommy already
makes sense.
pregnant when y'all were married?
Yeah. I think
Or
a
like
month
married.
or 2 months pregnant na ka. A month. You're already pregnant pag
Yeah,
kasal
I
na
saw
to.
in the picture.
Buros na ka ni Rusty.
So go back 9 months.
3 months pregnant na si Mami sa imo, Rusty.
Oh.
Atong pagkasal. Okay. Embarrassing, wala. We
Do
cannot
you have
remember.
cute couple nicknames to each other?
No, it's since day one, Be ra gyud, Be.
Ah,
Bebe.
Belang.
Yeah, Be. Hi, Be.
That's
Bebe with an H. Bebe.
all. I don't know. I didn't put any.
What else?
Say it, Be.
Share a funny moment that you can remember in your relationship.
Well, because I'm a comedian, Mami, di ba?
Anything Daddy does is funny. So
I always laugh, man. Every day.
Every day nga, di ba?
Ah.
Because I'm a comedian, man. I see to it that Mami is always laughing.
yeah.
Yeah, because I
You're
don't
a
have money
comedian.
before, so that's why I just make him, I'll make her happy. Pakatawa.
What? Okay, so what little detail you like of each other, ba? Like a tiny detail that yours like that don't really like know, but the other person really likes it, ba?
Oh, that's a very good question. Oh, Mami.
Daddy doesn't like kangkong, but I really love kangkong.
Ikaw, you like goat. I know, you don't
I
like goat.
don't like kanang kanding,
Yeah.
but Daddy loves it.
You mean food?
I meant like the little deals, like oh my god, he likes to like fidget his thing, and like he knows like it's normal. Where like I find it really adorable, like something you would find like you wouldn't notice it yourself, but you notice it, and you find it very adorable.
Oh.
Like I like it when she twirls her hair, like there's some,
I like it when Mami
or like it when her cheeks like poof up.
Is this a good entry, like an answer? Like, I really like Mommy wearing skinny jeans, and because I don't like to see Mommy wearing those like girly with ano mga
And I like
flower
spaghetti choo choo.
yeah.
Get this choo.
I love to see Mommy just
Be comfortable.
yeah
One piece?
kanang skinny jeans, then tight shirts, just t-shirts na kuan. I like it.
Okay, that's
Kanang then I like it when Mommy really hugs me tight. That's it. Mommy, your entry.
ikaw to daddy, like something that daddy does that he's not aware of.
Oh yeah.
But you find it very adorable. Like I like it when
Nabad
daddy,
ako gabuhaton, akong Bisayon, Mami. Nabad ako gabuhaton nga kanang wala lang, wala ko napansin, pero for you like it.
like one example is like, oh, I noticed that he would always like put his arm around
See?
his like neck when
Yeah,
he was
exactly. That's why I really like it kanang si Mami matulog, then she really hug me tight, then nasa sa I love it.
Oh, diba?
Ah.
Ikaw, what's something that daddy does that he is not aware?
Wala gyud siya ganahan.
Siguro sa kanang kuan ba? Wala lang memory ba sa anesthesia sa ulo.
Si Mami, pamilya sa i-excuse na ni Mami kay every daw na mag-CS siya, nanda mga anesthesia. So nanda daw siya kakalimutan ng mga memories. Mao ba? Little things daw akong gabuhaton niya, you like it. Bro, nga na ba? So wala gyud. Okay, wala. Dawato tong kamata. Undangon na to ni i-stop ang recording. Ihabo na inyong mga pagkaon ng mga leche. Okay, next. That's a very good question, Rusty.
Rusty, mag-utok.
Yeah, that's a very good question.
Good question.
You're really a psychologist in the future. Rayver, come on. Give me
What's something really good? Ask for advice.
or
Rayver.
just anything you ask for your mom and dad. Come on. Okay.
How would you know if mommy is angry?
Huh? Is that a question? You know that. You know that. Mommy don't answer. Mommy is always yelling at you. So if she's mad at me, she's always yelling at her. Ano na si mommy? That's how. She doesn't talk.
Ignore.
Like for example, natay plano nga gusto na ko ni buhaton. If she never reacts, wala na, patay na.
We won't do it.
Like po siyang plano tato, tag falls! Ay, maligo ta sa falls! Mommy would just like, no comment, like, wala. Hindi siya mag-prepare o mga sinina, wala. Undang na.
So,
Ayaw na pagplano.
so is mommy's love language that she wants is words of affirmation? Because she doesn't want to talk.
I don't know.
Because like doesn't want to talk to you, so she makes you want to talk
But
to
there's
her.
no good questions.
Oh.
So that's words of affirmation. So that's what she wants from you.
Nga mo affirm ko paminti nga,
Oh.
what she did is nice. Great,
No-
anak.
Like whenever you notice
I
that.
feel awkward when his daddy says that.
But she would like reassure you, ba? He will try to talk to you. That's words. That's why.
So mommy would love it.
Oh.
That's your love language, mommy.
That's why she would like technically be quiet when she's mad, because she wants you to talk to her.
No, I don't want to talk to her if she's mad because she's not answering me. So if she's mad, then I'll just stop talking also.
No attention.
Daddy is still
I don't know what's the English anong suyo. Wala ko
How to,
yung kabala nang magsuyo-suyo.
How to
What?
what do you call this?
Kada bang nakay buhaton just to, please na.
Something you would do just to please her.
Yeah, I'm not good at it. Okay.
How did you what?
It's good. It's a good. Okay. Ella, yeah, next.
Cool. Are you eat?
16?
Uh,
It's the
Uy, both of you
yeah.
are so slow.
16?
yeah, sure. Go.
How did you decide on the names for your children?
Was it a group effort or isa lang?
First I like the word John. It
Oh,
seems like because it's a name of the disciples mga of Jesus, di ba? So it's like feeling ako buutan ang may name nga John.
That's why I noticed akong classroom, we had our teacher let us like explain why your parents named you, and almost like 90% of the classroom, they're from the Bible.
Yeah. Because we want that like para mong kanibutan na kanay word nga John. Or maybe sa mong experience, we know someone that if there's a word nga or name nga dyan, buutan or something like that. Then I like it lang nga RJ. So that's why Rusty, John,
Could have named other than Rusty.
Rayver,
You're Rusty man.
Like I said, we were watching that movie, The Kid, and he was so cute. Like watching and he said, Rusty. He was so cute. Then you were so cute when you were Sir Baby until now. So that's why we called you Rusty. Then suddenly the one is Rayver John.
Where did you get Rayver from?
Rayver nga si the dancer, artista. Si Rayver Cruz.
I knew it.
Dancer.
That makes sense.
Then wala mi nag-expect nga na babae, so I want nga any RJ, so we're looking sa internet.
Wasn't it like Julia Montez once?
No, I was looking for Ella. I was looking for a name also nga mura nagyapon sa Bible, but name, so it's Raph, then it became Raphael. It was Raphael that because babae man, so Rafaela. And I was looking for another name para na J, so Julia. So Moto
Julia. Did you get Julia from Julia Montez, the celebrity?
or Julia Barreto.
Oh, gonna.
Yeah, maybe, but I just want to add the J. So that's Rafaela Julia. Now you know. Labor is not happy with his name. So that's why
I don't even let my
that's why
classmates call me Rusty.
I will change it to Malvern Esparcia Jr.
That's worse.
I'd rather have my name than your name.
How dare you? Okay. Next.
What was it?
Are you?
What?
Are you still? Do you still want more kids? Or you just have? Or does you just have baby fever?
No, I'm
Like when you see a baby and you in your head, it was like, oh my god, I really want to have another child.
to be honest, yeah, ikaw una, mami.
Because you're usually the one getting baby fever. Every time you see like a baby of your friends, you would always carry the baby.
Wapo mag-dive baby. Pero,
You're like the other side of it, the ugly side.
kapoy magbantay.
Yeah, we're good. I'm so happy with the three of you already. So yeah.
Oh,
I,
that's 15.
no, the ani magod, the practical also is si mami magod kay CS. Sa CS ang pinaka-safe lang yun is 3 lang yun ka children. So it's delikado na for mami na magburos pa siya on the 4th baby. Kay CS man siya. Then ikadua po, supposed to be we're okay naman nga duhara mo. Pero tungod lagi kay 'di ba inyong titos puro milaki. So I said nga murag mami nag-inguman ng doktor nga you can have one pa last. Kay CS ka tulo. Sige, let's try the third one and hopefully and tana babae. Ano ba? Yeah, and then we prayed for it na hopefully it would be a girl. What are you thinking, Rusty?
Couples say we're trying for a baby. So what do you mean trying?
So, we're trying na another one. So, I prayed nga tana babae na. So, there you go. Your curly.
Praying, wala may nag...
Oh, sa'yo pagtong yung Virgin Mary? No sex at all. Naburos lang siya kalit. How dare you, Rusty? Last two? Last two questions. Yeah, you have last two questions there.
Oh, I know what the last question would be.
Sige.
Ikaw na lang.
Wait, second.
I'll give it to you, Rayver. Come on. Second to the last question, Rayver. That you want to ask mommy and daddy.
Such a good questioner.
Grabe, lawom kay ka nga pagkatao, Rayver. You're so deep, Rayver. Come on.
Simple man siya, Rayver.
You have
It's not that
questions.
hard.
What did I do?
Oh, if there's anything you can change in your relationship, would you change anything or not? Would you like change anything from the past, like past
Okay.
decisions
Ikaw, mami.
leading to mistakes?
No, wala.
Ano ba? Wala.
Sa relationship, wala kayo.
Like anything you want to change at all? Would you? Like the things, like the choices you made in the relationship.
Wala.
Would
Oh.
Ikaw din.
Ikaw, daddy.
change it din. Wala.
You guys know that I commit a huge mistake in our relationship
Yep.
prior to the wedding. Where we were still young.
Why is that though? Were you drunk? I can never know the full story.
The most honest answer is when we were still in college, our world was just there.
The college.
When we were in college, mommy and I, as in among kalibutan among world was not agad sa school.
So like school.
Oh, kanabang we were friends, pareha may og subject, then we eat lunch, ano ba? Then for the longest time, ako may una na igawas kay nakatrabaho naman ko. So pagtrabaho na ako, then suddenly na surprise ko nga, wait, dili man day akong world is inyo lang mami, naman day napamalay lain people sa kalibutan. Napay lain mga girls. Then I became a DJ. Being a DJ is like you're a local celebrity.
Yeah, and people would.
Yeah, so I was just an ordinary guy. Then suddenly I became popular. The popularity, what's your ano galing yung term, ano? Popularity virus, di ba? So medyo na, well, literally murag ko nahimong
your ego.
Yeah. Oh, so I'm popular now. So you're attractive na to all. So yun lang.
So your ego got the best of you.
Yeah. So yun.
Makes sense.
So that's why
How fast did you forgive daddy actually when you found out?
I think kung wala na ko si mami giburusan na mugawas ka, baka gibulagan ko ni mami.
Ako man di ay.
Yeah.
Ang reason, nagstay pa mo.
Yeah, because what I did that time, ako na, oh my God, no withdrawal na ni. Para maburo si mami din. Mas dako ang percentage that she will not leave me. Because we had already a child and that's here, Rusty. That was
So I'm the what?
No, because technically, di ba, I could finish the relationship. Di ba? Because wala na, bulabong naman ko, ana. But I don't want to lose your mom. So, maybe.
Unlike the other girls, she's the one you really fell for.
Yeah, exactly.
Not just, sexually, romantically.
Yeah.
It's mommy.
So, moto kong pinaka, no other option na lang. So, parang suicide option. Ako ning burusan para at least
Okay.
if ever manggaling na but wala na ko nag-advise to those who are listening, wala ko nag-advise nga that's what will you do, ha. Pero that time
the most
mo na akong
not
gibuhat.
logical way of getting someone back.
Yeah. Last
Sounds
question.
Messed up.
Yeah. Last question.
Any future goals in your relationship moving forward? Any
Oh,
so
mami,
any
that's a very nice question, mami.
any goals or hopes in the future together with daddy?
Ang hope,
Uh-huh.
mabayaran na rin. More gid ako hope.
Ang debt.
Kanang work together and walay utang. Mara nang priority ni mami. Me? I want to see the five of us going around the world.
Yes.
But maybe that time you guys are the one who's spending it, not us anymore. So you guys are the sponsors. But yeah. And hopefully we could still travel around the world nga. Kami ni mami we're in good shape, we're in good health nga dili pa mi mag-vertigo. Because ang tendency basin matututa sa gawas pero lipong nako so di nagyapon ko makalakaw-lakaw. So that's why nga hopefully kana we could go out and travel more places outside. Nga okay pa mi ni mami together. Okay. What's your your messages na for us? Your anniversary message for us.
I hope
Mommy
you
and
live
Daddy.
long, old, live prosperous.
Keep breathing.
Sa ela keep more again.
I do
Rayver.
hope you will live like really long, at least until like 100 years old. Like
I
old.
hope that your relationship will grow stronger.
So plastic. Alright, enough. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you to Big Bees. I love you, Big Bees. I love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.